the people here on field are very much intelligent to remember the names, especially for board member Dr. Philbert Malaluan. For your information, it's only Dr. Malaluan who defeated our talented students of Kidapawan National High School. He's a very talented guy. Celebration, that is September 2, 1996. And some of us are saying that this is nothing, but to tell you, this is a very significant date for us. And I know you know already how the MNLF had surpassed those trials. And also, you were properly trained. Thank you, Esther Campa, for introducing me. To the people who just introduced by Barangay Captain Salapudin, I will not repeat the introduction because I'm afraid I might miss some of you, and then you will say, na, wa na, Alzheimer na. So, anyway, General Osman, we are very fortunate. We are very fortunate. Why? Because we were able to witness this celebration, the commemorating the 25th day of the 25th year of celebration.